I will talk about this asthma. Persons having asthma. First, I will talk about asthma for elderly people. Elderly people cannot eat much. They have so many conditions. So let us see how we can handle. They have to clean their tongue after taking food with a tongue cleaner, and they have to keep a small glass bottle with onion juice extracted from big onions and added with native country honey, not branded honey. Mix it and keep it. They can take 1 teaspoon every hour when they have a serious wheezing or asthma. And at night they can keep it by the bedside. Please note, this will become very bad after 2 hours. It will lose its value, okay, nutrients value. So you can make it at about 9 o'clock, fresh 9 o'clock, and keep it for elderly persons by their bedside. This can be given to children also above 1 year for any cough, cold, sinus and tonsils. For all these problems, adenoid, you can give it to children also. Now, for asthma for children, for elderly people, you have to change the food. At night time, you don't give them any rice items. Instead, give them wheat which you have prepared at home. Wheat powder you can prepare at home. So you can make rotis, 2 rotis, not more than that, and dal. Moong dal is better at night for elderly people, for asthma people. And the evenings, if they are very hungry, you can give them some millets pongal, which will be very light, easy to digest. And in the afternoon or noon, lunchtime, you can have kodo millet along with vegetables curry. They can mix everything. They can normally eat even sambar or any Indian dish, normal dish, you can have it in the lunchtime. Then morning time, it is better to give them ragi millet along with palm jaggery. You can make a sweet, something like sweet, and a sweet dish, and you can add some butter or ghee. They can take it. After 1 hour, you give them buttermilk with warm water. And early morning, definitely you should give them juice from 3 oranges or mosambi along with 5 dates. Put them inside a blender, mix them well and give it to them. Pour some hot water also into it. Early morning drink. This drink can be given in the evening also. And if you follow this practice, very soon, in 1 week, they will have a lot of relief. At night, I will tell you now 5-prong formula, 5-prong strategy for combating sinus, asthma and adenoid and nose block and related lungs and throat problems. Ear, nose, throat. After taking night food, that is dinner, they will have to clean their tongue with a tongue cleaner. Then they will go for this onion honey syrup, 1 teaspoon. Then they will go for this garlic. Before doing everything, I want them to start with hot water plus salt, garlic, which will remove the phlegm from the throat. Let them do it first. Then they can do tongue cleansing. Then onion, honey. Then coconut oil plus garlic, a small piece. Garlic can be crushed, and this they can take. Garlic and coconut oil, they can take in the mouth, and they can do oil pulling for some time. Oil pulling for about 5 minutes. Then they should spit it out instead of swallowing it. Let them spit it out. Then that's all. They can. They should not use any toothpaste. They should not brush their teeth at night after these things. They can lie down and go to sleep. This will definitely help them a lot. Thank you very much.